Good morning, gentlemen. I don't know if you guys can hear me real well. I'm inside a D8 horizontal vessel, a de-aerator. This is a little tiny 4-foot diameter, 5-foot long de-aerator. So it takes the air out in a makeup water system for a boiler. I'm doing it internal in here. And of course I have a hard time moving around in here, but I thought I'd bring you guys along and show you the inside of this thing. And of course it has a cute little oval manway that a lot of us have a hard time getting through. Has a de-aerating communicating chamber, so this is looking up into the communicating chamber for the de-aerating portion of the above the top head, the top of the vessel. And of course we've got our nozzle attachments here. And of course I've labeled the shell and the long seam so that when I take the photographs you can actually kind of discern what we're looking at. And there's the girth seam. You see we've got a little bit of a water to interface so you can see where the liquid level is. And you see that we've got a little bit of staining from products coming in. I've started labeling my nozzles so that in the photographs we can see what I'm looking at. Threaded coupling attachments and pipe stubs for the nozzles and that sort of thing. Vortex breakers for some of the nozzles on the bottom. Anyway, I just thought I'd kind of show you what we're in here looking at and what I usually look at. I haven't cleaned off the welds yet to look at the welds on the attachments for the nozzles and the threaded connections, but I thought I'd show you what I'm looking at for today. I know you guys are interested a lot of times in what I'm looking at and how I look at stuff, and I figured this one's not too noisy, so I would bring you guys along. Not exactly sure what you guys want to look at, but this is a day in the life of an API inspector. Anyway, thanks for coming along, guys. Talk to you guys later.